Hello everyone. I'm here right now today because there's some misunderstanding about how to use this page. I learned a little while ago how to get loads of leads from Facebook by just posting in the groups on Facebook. And as you read on this page, which you will have access to as soon as you become a member of Debit Card Profits. And Debit Card Profits is always free to everybody. And as long as you have at least a PayPal account or some way that I can pay you, I can put you into my free affiliate program. But if you have a ClickBank account, and you can get a ClickBank account, I can put you into that affiliate program. Plus, I can also put you into Debit Card Profits. And I use the ClickBank for the affiliate part of it, so I know who to pay whenever somebody you refer to Debit Card Profits, gets a bonus and everything, and then I know that I'm to pay you. All right. So anyways, this page, as it reads here, Facebook groups are your best friend. Go ahead and start adding yourself to the following types of groups: work from home groups, direct sales groups, yard sales and garage sale groups. Only add yourself to roughly 10 or 15 groups per day. If you abuse the ability to add yourself to a lot of groups in one day, Facebook will monitor your activity as spamming, and in result, your account will be suspended. So be careful. Okay, that's the only warning I'm going to give right now. Step 2, you take this, and all of this is copy and paste. You would copy this right here, just like that, copy it, and then you take it over and you post it in the message to these people who have actually asked you how to do that. How to make $300 to $600 per week from home posting ads on Facebook. You'll get a ton of people requesting information from you. You go over there and you paste it in the message to them. Then when that's what you do when you go there, and you're going to paste this message to them. You're going to replace the name with their name, and then you're going to hit send. And every step along the way solicits these people to an engagement between you and them in the message section. And we make questions out to them that are going to ask them, do they really want to make money online without spending any money? It's all for free. Everything's done for free. And the answer should be absolutely in most cases. So they say, okay, I got your message, I want to go. But before you're done with them, you immediately go back to the post and reply to their comment with check your messages. And you put a little smiley face in there. And it will come up as a smiley face on there with the explanation point and everything. But then you hit likes. You click on likes in there. Because that is going to, in most cases, going to let them know that they have somebody responding to their comment in the Facebook, if they're set up on alerts and everything and on notifications. That's what's going to happen. So you go down a little bit further here, and it says when they confirm that they received the message, send them this information. And you would just copy all of this information down and ask them if you agree with me. Let me see what what's the deal here? Well, there's no underline under that. But at any rate, you copy that down and you paste that in there as a reply to them when they say they did receive your message. And sometimes you have to wait a couple days. Sometimes, they won't get back with you. But this weeds them out. If they don't want to do business with you, you're not out anything. We're not out anything. They're not out anything. It does have some staying power, though, because these people are gonna keep that, and they're gonna look it over. They're gonna analyze it, and they may get back with you, and they'll follow your directions, whatever they are. Okay, watch all of the videos on this page, and remember, this is something that is free, and all I am doing is using the educational value of it to get you on the same page with me. So they would go in there and they would watch all of those videos on there. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you where they go to when they do that. Sorry about that. Oh, I've got to correct that. I'm going to go over there before I correct it and everything, just to save time. And I'm going to try to not having a very good time here. There we go. Each page has a new video and is further education for you. Okay, so once you get through these videos, and if you've dealt with somebody previously that's in debit card profits and talking to you and everything, you're going to understand just exactly what's happening here. After they reply with complete, because we ask them to reply with complete once they're done with that, and this will be corrected by the time you get to it. Always remember this. My system gets leads from Facebook just like you, and from my secret free traffic system, and everything we do is free. When someone follows our directions and gets plugged into our system, they will be able to refer at least 10 free members. That will get them $200 or more at $20 per referral. Then, because you haven't lost any money, you haven't even invested any money, you can invest the $200 into our other system that will get you multiple $125 payments from all of the people that you brought into our system. And this will be the same system that you already will be an affiliate for. However, until you have paid the $200 program fee, you will be sharing the $125 payments with Debit Card Profits Administration and only getting $62.50 for each member that comes in. Pretty self-explanatory. If you are understanding this, reply with understood. Okay? Then when they say that they do understand it, I'm going to want you to post this to them. I have worked with thousands of people And everything boils down to this. If they really want to make money online but don't want to follow our directions, we need not waste each other's time. If you can appreciate this, reply with agreed and I will continue. Now, it would really be sad if they said, can't we just move on to the link or something like that? Go ahead, move on to the link. In the next step, you're going to post the link anyways. It says when they respond with agreed, post this. In order to make money online, you must follow these directions. Sign up here free. Okay, and you put your link that we give you here. I'll show you what the page looks like when you get into the program and everything, or you're going to get that page if you're dealing with me or with somebody else anyways, because I provide that page for you. All right, so I hope this clears up anything that you might have. Thank you.